Have you ever wanted to create stunning calligraphy with just a simple tool? Well, today, we're diving into the world of double pencil calligraphy. This unique technique uses two pencils to create beautiful, bold letter forms that will elevate your writing game. It's perfect for everything from greeting cards to personalized gifts. To get started, simply align two pencils side by side. You can use any type of pencil, but colored ones can add a vibrant touch to your artwork. Hold them together as if they were a single writing instrument, and let your creativity flow. When you write, the double pencil will create a thicker line, giving your letters depth and dimension. Experiment with different angles and pressures to see how it affects the thickness of your strokes. Don't be afraid to try out different styles and embellishments. You can mix and match colors or even add decorative flourishes to make your calligraphy truly unique. So grab your pencils and start practicing. With a little patience and creativity, you'll be amazed at what you can create with double pencil calligraphy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on calligraphy and creative art techniques. Happy writing!